Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, a man came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent him to his wives to fetch food. But they replied that they had nothing but water. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, who will take him or play host to him? A man from the helper submitted, I shall. So he took him to his wife and said to her, entertain generously the guest of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She submitted, we have got nothing but the children's meals. He said, prepare the food, light the lamp, and when the children ask for supper, cares them to sleep. So his wife prepared meals, lighted the lamp, and sent the children to sleep. She then got up, pretending to adjust the lamp and put it out. Thus they both pretended as if they were eating with the guest, but in fact both remained hungry for the night. In the morning when he came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is extremely pleased with what you both did last night, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent down this verse, and prefer them to their souls, even though they be badly in need of, and whoso is guarded against the avarice of his own soul, those they are the successful. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3798.